Deleting a paid bill in Xero may seem straightforward, but it's crucial to understand the implications and alternative approaches. While directly deleting a paid bill in Xero is not recommended due to potential integrity issues with financial records, there are alternative methods to manage the situation effectively. Deleting the record could lead to discrepancies between your financial statements and actual transactions, which could raise concerns during audits. Instead of deletion, consider alternative approaches to maintain accuracy while addressing the paid bill situation. If you've received a refund for the paid bill, recording it in Xero is a suitable option. This ensures an accurate reflection of the situation while preserving the original bill record. Here's how to handle it. Navigate to the Purchases menu and select Spend Money. Choose the same supplier as the original bill and input the refund's date and amount. In the Account field, select a relevant account, such as Accounts Payable Refund. Add a description indicating the refund for clarity, such as Refund for bill if the bill was already marked as paid. Acknowledge it accordingly. Leaving it as is allows Xero to categorize it as a paid expense, maintaining accurate financial records and reflecting the correct financial position.